original 9 ingredients, even for me. These 9 ingredients are scattered across secret locations in Bikini Bottom. Whoever finds and eats all of them will be able to recreate the ultimate Krabby Patty. So I've been looking for these ingredients for years. I even made a map of where they are. No matter what, I need to gather these ingredients to stop the ultimate Krabby Patty from falling into the wrong hands. And since you owe me money for the patties you just ate, you can just collect the ingredients for me.
Damn it, I guess we do owe him, but I can't help but feel like we're getting swindled here. Whatever, let's just take a look at this map. What the? There's an ingredient right here in the Krusty Krab. A secret door. But if there was an ingredient here all along, why didn't he just go get it himself?
Come on, that nice crab gave us a meal. We need to repay our debt.
Whoa, this room is filled with money. It's like a bank or something.
Money!
Wait, you probably shouldn't touch anything yet. This dude is crazy.
I also want to tell you.
What's that?
I want to tell you too.
Fish? Ew. Don't tell me this is the second original ingredient. I'll just be
There's all this game I wanted to show you.
Someone's holding
I
on to
downloaded
it.
some new
Is that a
games.
hand? What is that thing? It's like a giant, unhygienic slime ball. Varun, don't touch it. Maybe he's friendly. No! That damn thing just ate Varun. He was so young and had so much potential. Not really, but still, so sad. Wow, I'm floating, Theme. What? Are you still alive? I think so. I just feel dirtier. I do not want to be trapped inside a dirty bubble with Varun for eternity. That sounds even worse than death. No offense, Varun. Time to use my sponge skin.
It's a squishy simulator. It's not even Roblox, but it's just squishy.
It's warm and cozy in here. Wait,
At first, it's a unicorn. Oh, we can turn around.
Wait, it's a bubble. What's
So
your
cute.
point?
Huh?
Right. We just need a sharp object.
Oh, we can make our own.
And the most annoying sound that I know is, quick, Yasir and Anastasia, stack the money up around us.
What are you doing with my money?
You like it, guys?
I hear there's
Comment below if you like this one.
Yes, it worked. Varun's voice bounced off the walls and caused the bubble to burst. Now, time to eat this thing.
Oh, guys, this is so squishy.
I can transform into a giant balloon fish. After that whole fiasco, this is going to be useful.
Wow, it's so pretty.
Man, Anastasia's always running around on these adventures with me. Maybe when we get paid from Mr. Krabs, I could buy her that purse.
It's right up there.
Can't believe the next ingredient was right beside the pineapple house the whole time. What do you want?
We need to search through your house and find a possible secret basement that may contain a
Done.
special ingredient.
Guys,
I'm not buying.
is it
I wasn't
nice,
trying
guys?
to sell you anything.
We gotta be more
Ah,
People don't always
nope.
like when you're so direct. What? How's it going, fam? So, how do you like the weather? You know what? The weather is pretty nice today. Really? Now.
Why are we
slam the
pressing,
door
guys?
Again? Are you for real?
Oh,
Good
yes.
guys. Let's try it again.
That's enough. Sometimes you just
So not that, guys.
Wait, do you hear that? Is that a clarinet?
I'll take care. Okay, I'm back.
So, everybody sucks.
I'm gonna name this. I want to send this
Damn it, Varun. You almost caught me. Sorry.
messenger.
Now, where could
There.
there be a secret pathway?
I have no people.
Last time it was a cash register.
So,
Maybe this time it could be the phone. But what would the password be? 1999. Let's give it a shot.
no,
Yes,
that.
it worked. What's going on here? Wait a
Maybe
second.
this.
You tricked me. You never wanted to hear me play clarinet. Sorry, bruh. The game is the game. Let's go, guys. We got an ingredient to find. This room is filled with clarinets. It's like a massive music store. I can't believe the squid guy didn't even know this existed right under him. Oh my gosh, I'm in heaven. There. That's the pointiest, shiniest
Dang.
French fry I've ever seen. And I love fries. Delicious.
Hi.
A magic French fry appeared in my inventory. What does it do? I drew a sword with this pencil and it became real? These powers are getting crazier and crazier. I can't even imagine what kind of powers the ultimate Krabby Patty would give. You closed the
Oh, looks
door
like it's
behind
nice.
you, right?
Complete.
I didn't. Who was the last one in? I thought
If
it
you
was
give
one
me
of those
3 stars.
self-closing doors, fam. Get behind me, bruh. I'll protect us. Not that stupid circle you drew. I used to think it was
Oh,
stupid
I'm
too.
gonna paint
But
it
trust
later.
me, you need to
You
get
unlock.
inside this circle.
Oh,
I
guys, it's
already
so
got
cute.
3 Krabby Patty powers. I got
Cat.
this.
Eh.
Bam! Maybe we should listen to Squidward. How is standing inside a circle going to protect you against a bear? That's the stupidest superstition I ever heard. You know what'll protect us? A shield. Come at me, tough guy. Yes, a laser gun.
This is
Modern
a-
problems require modern solutions. Eat this. Ha! Got him. How's it over there in that circle? Feeling a little cramped? You can come out now. Bam! Bam! Turn around! Ah! Okay, okay, fine. Please, no more. Are you for real, bruh? Because of the circle? Man, this place doesn't make any sense at all. I learned my lesson too once from a wise little sponge. Now, get out of my house before you make even more of a mess.
This is it. Map says so.
Really? A retirement home? What are we gonna find in there? Some used denture? Wow, those 2 old guys are really going at it. You said I'm tired of you trying to make
No.
decisions for me.
Don't touch
Hey,
it. No.
guys,
Don't touch
what's
This is
happening?
best.
Seems like a mermaid man is the protector of this next ingredient. So, which one of you is mermaid man? You're looking at him, son. Seriously? They left an old geezer in charge of one of the original ingredients?
Hey, show some respect to your elders.
What? It looks like he'd fall over if the wind blew too hard. That's okay, Missy. I've dealt with tons of misbehaved youngsters in my superheroing days.
Done.
I can handle it. You sure about that? The map says this mermaid man is the key to unlocking the secret room. I can't risk just telling him what we're here for because he might turn us down just like Squidward. We'll have to secretly get it out of him. I know. A superhero, eh? Wow, you must have so many incredible victory stories.
Another ad, guys.
Of course. Are you sure about that? Yes. Yes, I am. How about Operation Yuck? Operation Shut it.
What's up?
Wow, this is so
Oh,
interesting.
okay, have time to read for a second. Okay, are you done? That's good.
One eternity later. Finally, Operation Seagull. Who said it was an exception? Wait, we did have one successful
Hey, close the door, Jarvan.
Hope you make it. That's all there. Guys, you have if you have this ad, I can have one.
They call me Lyra. They call me Stacy. They call me her. They call me Jane.
Done.
Warning, beware of hazards. What are you talking about? Come on. I got
Enjoy.
this. Wait,
Wow.
this is not good. Okay, Mayday, 1 tire down. Can we
We're
make it? Can
gonna
we make it to the end?
know also some text.
Rest in peace. This game is called Drive Cars Down a Hill. All right, what do
Back
we have?
to
We got the
game.
jalopy. Brother.
Kaya, natira?
I quit.
They call me
Here's all my stuff.
They call me her. They call me Jane.
I change my clothes, yes. They're gonna wait guys, I can also split them.
They call me Lyra. They call me Stacy. They
Let's
call
go
me
na. Avery, yan ang damit mo? It's
Yes.
not for going.
Okay, like, subscribe if you like this video. Bye.